Ladies and gentlemen, we have landed at Sultan Iskandar Muda International Airport. For your safety, please remain seated, and the use of mobile phones is still not allowed. There is a sign above you that's been switched off. Do take care when opening the overhead compartments before leaving the aircraft. Please check all your cabin luggage with you. It was a pleasure being on board, and we hope to see you again soon. If you need any assistance upon arrival, please contact our ground staff. Thank you for flying with AirAsia. Have a pleasant stay in Banda Aceh. Penumpang kita mendarat di lapangan terbang antarabangsa Sultan Iskandar Muda, Banda Aceh. Untuk kesempatan, sila kekal di tempat duduk dan penggunaan telefon bimbit masih tidak dibenarkan sehingga tanda isyarat pasangkan tali kedah dipadamkan. Hati-hati ketika muka ruang jemputan di atas dan sebelum meninggalkan pesawat, pastikan barang-barang anda dibawa bersama. Kami merasa bangga bersama anda sepanjang flight ini dan diharap kita akan berjumpa lagi. Jika anda memerlukan sebarang perkhidmatan semasa ketibaan, sila hubung dengan kaki tangan kami.